do we do today? Oh? Yeah? Were you telling Daddy what a monkey says? Oh, really? Yeah, did you have fun with your sister today? Oh, you get the hiccups. Yeah. What else did we do today? Oh, those hiccups. Yeah? What else? You tell Daddy what we did today? No? Did you just have a bath?
How are you feeling now? You feel fresh and clean?
We get a smile. There's a little smile.
Tigers at the zoo, huh? Yeah.